Hey everybody, so I have a quick guess what's in the box video from Amazon. It's a pretty large box, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So this is a very large box. It says Amazon Fulfillment Service. It's a little odd. The box is just sitting by my fence. I was supposed to have something show up today, so that's not what was odd. What was odd is that the post office usually doesn't ever drop anything off at my house. Ever. They'll usually, if it doesn't fit in my mailbox down the street, or doesn't fit in the package mailbox down the street, because my mailbox is just one of those, 15 something mailboxes, little bitty mailboxes on the side of the road, next to a bunch of other houses, and right next to it, it has two package boxes. Freaking ant. That will hold up to, I think, a 12 by a 24 by 24 box maybe. And if the item doesn't fit, they usually just put it in. They usually just take it back to the post office and they put a slip in my box telling me I have to drive down there. So I'm wondering if my postage lady's daughter's the one that did this, because 3 weeks ago I had two packages that were dropped off inside my yard, actually next to my front door. And when I looked at the recording from the video, doorbell and all the other cameras I have, it was a young lady that did it. So I'm assuming the daughter is doing the mail more or something, because this was dropped off. But let's get to the guess what's in the box portion. Let me measure it. So this box is 29 7/8 of an inch long. It is 5 7/8 tall, and it is 7 1/4 inch wide. I will give you guys a hint. This is a Tecton tool. It's definitely not pliers, but it is a Tecton tool. So what do you guys think it is? What are your guys' guesses? Let me know in the comments down below. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Having fun playing along. I appreciate you stopping by as well. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will leave this item in the description below if anybody wants to buy it. More than likely I will leave that on the unboxing video. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!